Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Mamta Sachdeva, the director of South Point Group of Institutions. A very warm welcome to our show, ma'am.
Thank you
Uh,
so much.
yes. So let's give a brief about Dr. Mamta. That Dr. Mamta currently working as an executive director at South Point Group of Institutions, Sonipat. She started her career as a software developer in an MNC. She has held lecturing positions at PDM and Hindu Society. She was vice principal and then principal at South Point for a few years. She has got the certificate of honor and appreciation as for being a social change actor and contribution to end gender-based discrimination by Disha Trust by Haryana Kala Parishad. And she has published more than 20 research papers and attended conferences in the field of networking, computer science, and P2P network. She is an active member of an institution of engineers and the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers. She is a life member of the Computer Society of India and National Institute of Quality and Reliability. She launched a well-received program of professional development courses for all the staff. She handled all the functions related to taking the institution sky high. So, welcome to our show,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Kunal. Thank you so
Yes,
much for giving me this opportunity.
yes.
Yeah.
So, start with the first question, ma'am.
hmm
Ma'am, being the director of the South Point Institute of Technology, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
See, being the director of South Point Group of Institutions, the leadership style varies in number of things. Like I believe in facilitating communication. I believe involving the team members. I believe in decision making. I believe in faculty orientation program and workshop for the skill development. My leadership style is to take the entire team into the confidence. I gave top priority to provide amiable and conductive environment and ambience for all the faculty members where they can open up, they can grow up, they can come up with their few new thoughts to make it progress.
Okay, very nice, ma'am, very nice. So the next question is, ma'am, how do you strategize about the pre-programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
See, I think there are number of factors in this, like meeting the student needs by creating an educational environment in which the students can attain a variety of goals, maintaining a high quality, high standard of integrity and performance, leading to the achievement of academic excellence, seeking input from all the colleges and from all the communities. Last but not the least, technological advancement, implementing the
Yeah.
cutting edge technology that enhance the institution and prepare the students for long life success.
Okay, very nice, ma'am, very fair this. Uh, so the next question is, ma'am, when you first came to the South Point Institute of Technology and Management, what was your vision for the college?
See, always a society expects the excellence from a college or from any university. So my vision is also providing the excellence in the educational area, providing number of placement opportunities to all the students where they can make their career. Again, the responsiveness to the needs of our students, empowering them to meet and exceed the challenges in their life, and their active participation for making their future a success one.
Okay, okay, ma'am, very nice, ma'am. Ma'am, as you have held a key position at the Education Institute throughout your professional career, so what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector till now?
See, the very first reason is my love for my students.
Okay,
This is
very
the this
nice.
is the most important reason. But
Yes.
besides that, that keeps me connected with this educational era is my strategic direction to the institution, my access teaching methods, my learning outcomes, assessment system, monitoring system, achievement, encouraging the parents, involving the parents communication, and entering into academics as well as co-scholastic activities. These are the all factors that makes me always makes me pride to be the part of this in education sector.
Okay, okay, very fair, ma'am. So, ma'am, any insight into how your university could be more welcoming to the students of different races or economic backgrounds?
See, Obviously, good infrastructure, existing institution in multiple educational areas. For example, there is no sector left behind in which we are not into. We are into pharmacy, we are into architecture, we are into engineering, we are into diploma. We are also running the basic degree programs in which we are running BSc, BA program. We are also
Okay.
have law college here, and we are also preparing to get into the medical line, and we are planning for MBBS to start in the next few years. So these are the presence are these are our presence in the education sector, and we are here into education from the last 14 years.
Okay.
And we have competitive curriculum, we have good vision and focus on the quality education, and all around the student development, employment, as well as the industry skills. These are the key factors which are the key factors that can grab any student here in my
Yes.
campus.
Okay, very nice one. And so, how can the student fill the form for your college about these courses that you offer?
See, we have a website
Okay.
www.southpoint.net.in. This is
Okay.
a leading website, and all other websites of different colleges are connected to this website only. So all the related
Okay.
information about all our 14 institutions, what are the fee
Yes.
structure, what are the educational criteria is required to get admission, and
Hmm.
other the factors, what are the documents required, and how kind of placement we are giving in those colleges. Everything is
Okay.
available on the net.
Okay, very nice
Yeah.
and very nice.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, any advice you want to give to students to enjoy stress rather than creating the unwanted pressure on themselves?
See, I only appeal one thing from the students, that if they really want to get a stress-free life and they want to get success also, they have to follow just a simple rule: they should be regular in studies.
Yes.
There is no other funda behind this. They should be regular in studies. If they keep balance approach in both the academics as well as the recreational activities, they'll be out of pressure. They will not be under pressure. So this is the regularity we can expect from the students. If you will try to do anything at the last moment, you will not get success.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, slow and steady
Yeah.
wins the race. The same
Yes.
thing applies here in the education also. If you give
Yes.
time, give enough time to studies on regular basis, you will never feel under pressure.
Okay. Okay. Very nice, ma'am. Very nice. So, ma'am, what are the placement opportunities at your college?
See, the placement opportunities at South Point are really promising. We have good tie-ups with the number of industries, whether they are into mechanical industries or they are into software industry. The institution is deep and wide ocean for the opportunities of placement. There are a number of good reputed brand of companies which regularly comes here in South Point and get placed.
Okay, ma'am. Can you tell the companies that came for the placements?
See, last year, like Wipro was there, Dolphin was there, Tata
Okay.
was there, HDFC Bank was there, ICICI Bank was there for BBA as well as MBA students.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice, ma'am. So the next question is, ma'am, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
The relationship which we build with children, it's not the relationship with the only student. We here build the relationship with the children, their families, our
Okay.
colleagues. They are the foundation of everything we do here. They are the real judge, like what we
Yes.
are doing for the students. So we take this opportunity to model the kindness, follow through the consequences, give students a chance to solve the problems on their own, seek suggestions, and we are always ready to get the feedback from the students and from their parents, and always try to implement those feedbacks and suggestions in a positive way.
Okay. So, ma'am, you have the personal interaction with students also?
Yeah, now during this lockdown, this has become more popular. This has
Yes,
become
yes,
more
yes.
requirement of the day, that we have to interact with the students on regular
Yes.
basis, whether on the we have our own smart school application is there, through which we are conducting the classes, and we are every day we are chatting with the students.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
just to
in
get
this
the feedback.
in this COVID, you have launched online classes for the students as well.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
purchased a new software, that is a smart school application, through which a student is always log in on the system. He can see where the classes are scheduled, and he'll get the everything on their, like the assignments or the kind of sample papers. Everything is available on that particular app.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
very nice and very nice. So the next question is, so ma'am, what do you see as South Point Institute's greatest strength?
The greatest strength at South Point Institute of Technology and Management are the faculty,
Okay.
research, amiable working environment, academic programs engaging students in research, interaction with the community, flawless teaching, learning ambience, and many more.
Oh, okay, okay, very nice, ma'am, very nice. So, ma'am, the last question is, what are the some plans that you are currently or will be designing for the college students?
See, we have started very high hopes, and we are quite hopeful that soon it will start showing national impact. You know, our South Point will be at national impact in some on few years to go. However, all this will take a little time to give the shape of our dreams, but it will make a national mark. And in future plans, I can say we are going to be into the medical line, and this will be our new plans for the students.
Medical means I'm in pharmacy line or
Pharmacy, we are already running. We are running
okay,
diploma pharmacy program, bachelor pharmacy program, and
okay,
planning for masters also. In medical, and I am into say MBBS and BDS kind of courses.
okay, very nice, ma'am,
Yeah,
very nice,
yeah.
very nice. So, ma'am, the interview is over. Thank you
Yeah.
very much for giving some views on the thoughts on education.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot and welcome to Ashwa. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kunal. Thank you for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.